I ordered this yesterday. It came in the next day. It's my my billet shift kit, billet column shift, turn knob signal hazard kit. I paid I think $50 for it. This is the I'm not gonna be able to use this because mine has the delay window wipers on it, so I'm not gonna be able to use this one. But this is the tilt bar. This is the hazard button. Might have I seen the review. They said that it might have a problem with that, but we'll see. I don't have the car right now, so this is the reason why I bought this thing, because I wanted this. The shift knob I have right now, the paint is flaking off, and when I grab it, it's like really sharp. So hopefully this thing works. This is the reason why I really bought it. I think this alone is like $25, but you might as well get the rest of the stuff or the rest of the money. But this is the reason why I bought it. Hopefully it goes on. I seen in a video that I might have to turn this around, but we'll see when I get the car back. I should be getting it back today, hopefully today or tomorrow. But I'll make a video of me putting this on as soon as I get it. Alright, it's been 8 days since this guy has had my car. I'm gonna call him right now and let's see if he got an excuse. Let's see what happens.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
What's up, buddy? Hey, I need to put down the molding in
You need to do what?
put the molding in the front the window.
Yeah.
I want to put it this today. That's it.
Alright. When can I come and get it?
Yeah, cuando I put the molding in couple minutes, porque I took my wife in the hospital. When I go over there, I put the molding. I call you.
Alright.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye. All right, you guys heard what he said. The car's done. He just got to put the molding windshield in, and another excuse. But let's see how long it takes for him to call me back. It is 9:29 right now on this Saturday morning. It's cold outside. Yeah, let's see how long it takes for him to call me back. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to call him back, but let's see what happens. If he don't call me back by, I don't know, 2 o'clock, I'm gonna call him back. Let's see let's see what happens. Here to pick up my truck. The guy's not here still, but I need stuff out of the trunk. Top is on. He gotta put the moldings around the windshield. Still. You can smell the glue. Finally on there. I just picked the car up from the top guy. It's Saturday, it's 2 o'clock. Got some glue there, I hope that comes out. My moldings are all bent up. I hope I can find new ones of those or fix that. People don't understand when you pay them to do something, you're trying to fix a car, you're not trying to fuck it up even more than it was already. That back piece right there, it's in the back seat. It's in the back seat right here, but he said since I'm having these things painted, because I guess this is what holds this piece in right here. So the other piece I gotta put in the trunk before it gets bent. It's right here. Put all this stuff in the trunk. Actually, I should just go to the top guy, the paint guy right now. But yeah, I finally got it back. I was really dirty. I don't like riding around with damn tape on my car either, but I need the clips, he said, some metal clips. So I'm gonna go online and find those metal clips and replace them. Pulling up to the paint guy right now. Gonna hear his bullshit. I hope he's here. It's 2:47 on a Saturday. He might not even be here, but if not, I'll just have to come back Monday. Keep these guys on. Let's see if these guys can hear him talking shit. I gotta go in. He's not out here. It's 11 pieces I'm dropping off right now. Those are the window moldings over here. All those pieces are going to him, and that's exactly what I want back. Painted the right way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 pieces. Saturday. What is it, the 15th, 16th? September. Dropped off at his shop. Okay, it's 2:56 on Saturday. I don't know what date it is. Saturday, September 17th. I just dropped off 11 pieces that he needs to repaint, and he told me to come back. He told me to contact him next week about dropping the car off for him to fix the other stuff that needs to be fixed. So let's see what happens. Looks like another car he did, I guess. I don't know. Got them snaps on it. I gotta get those snaps on mine. Cadillac Seville. IROC Z over there too. I wanted one of those, but I think it's too small for me.